Amazon selling Chris back with some money making tips. Just the realest it's gonna get, y'all. Some of y'all have asked me to tell y'all about the shipping templates and show y'all what I was saying and what I mean and maybe how your shipping templates can be fixed to help you with sales. Let me show y'all something what everyone should do. Amazon just started a thing where they automate your shipping time. Go back, you don't have to deal with that. It automated my shipping time, gave me 2 days to ship my orders, meaning customers now see my order 2 days later than what it would be delivered. So now they don't want to order from you. So I went and I go to shipping settings. If you're an Amazon seller, go to the app right here on your computer. You can't do it on your phone. You cannot do shipping settings on your phone. You go right here to your app, to your Amazon account, and you go to shipping info, shipping settings right here. Once you click on shipping settings, you go to general. Once you're at the general settings, shipping settings, you go to general shipping settings. You click right here, general shipping settings. You want to go down here. You want to make sure that it's saying your cutoff time is correct and what you agree with. And you want to say right here, automated handling time. You see that? You want to check that not active if you don't want Amazon to dictate what days your orders are going out. Also, another thing I do, which I had to do, you go to shipping templates right here at the top. And shipping templates is letting you see what your customers see when they ordering from you. They're seeing your time frame, 3 to 5 days. I don't charge for free delivery. I want my customers to see free delivery, so I don't charge per the pound or by the order. With standard shipping, $3.99. 2 to 3 days. There's a difference. You want to see that you're paying for faster delivery service. Expedited shipping, y'all have, some people have their expedited shipping for 12, 14, 16. It does not take that much to expedite a order, y'all. Come on. These are the reasons why you're not getting orders as well. 2-day shipping. And I got these prices from the post office, y'all. I mean, you don't have to agree with mine. Now, this right here, I did do $21 because if you plan on getting your order in 1 day, it should be this plus more. But I do want to woo my customers to come and chill and see my page and my front. So I do that. But altogether, the main thing, I even do it. I want to see free shipping. I'm not in a rush to get my order. Will you offer me free shipping? Yes, I do. Right here is the main thing. Also, you want to make sure there's options. Let me go to something, y'all. Edit template. You go to edit template. This matters. Edit template matters. You go and you edit your template, y'all. Now it's going to give you a chance to make your own template. And you can change your times. I have mine the shortest. If you feel like it's going to take 4 to 8 days, 5 to 10 days. A lot of y'all don't realize your thing is automated already on 4 to 8 days. If you're shipping your orders out on time, move that thing up to 3 to 5 days because customers don't want to see it's March 1st and I'm not getting my item until March 15th. I'm not ordering from you. If I have to wait till March 15th to get an order, I'm not ordering from you, and neither are they. So that could be an issue with your shipping right here. Something simple as this. Mine was on here at first. I didn't realize it until I was like, let me check my shipping templates. And when I went, it made a world of difference, y'all. My sales, I'm having $1,000 days. It's no joke. It's not a game. I have the proof to show it. But change it to 3 to 5 and make sure that you're going. You don't need to be charging by the pound if you're not selling something heavy. If you're selling heavy, that makes sense. But if you're selling normal size items, you don't need to be charging by the pound. Don't be greedy because you want customers to come back. You want traffic on your store. One more thing I will show you. Just a little, Now, my day's just started. This is what I've made just this month. You see my rank? 2,000, 1,000. My days are higher because of this, y'all. This is the proof I'm showing you right here. I'm not going to give you all my business, but this is the proof. I have 16 orders to pack. You know why? Because every fucking 10 seconds, I'm getting orders now, y'all. It's not a joke. It's the shipping settings makes a difference. I really hope this helps some of y'all. I hope it makes a difference. And if you have any other questions, Amazon Selling Chris can't give you but so many tips. This is as real as it gets.